Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today we are doing another dollar store gift basket video. I did one of these last year for Christmas and you guys really seemed to enjoy it, so I figured, you know what, let's do another one for this Christmas. So all brand new ideas, and as always, everything that I show you today in these gift baskets is from the dollar store. I got mine from Dollarama, but you can get pretty much all these products at any dollar store around you, Dollar Tree, Dollar General, or you know, the 99-cent store, whatever dollar store that you have around you. And I gotta say, I really do enjoy doing these dollar store gift basket videos because it just goes to show you that you really do not have to break the bank in order to get a nice gift basket. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed the video and the gift baskets that I've come up with this year. And once you're done watching, let me know in the comments which basket was your favorite. But anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. For the first basket here, I am calling the chocolate lover basket. So instead of laying down any kind of shredded paper, I actually decided to put a scarf down at the bottom of the basket. I just really like the way it looked, and it also added a really nice height as well. So I'm starting off with these hot chocolate bombs here, and I'm going to put this right at the back. Any kind of bulkier, taller item, I just like to lay at the back. Then I'm going in with these chocolate bears. How cute would these be to put in your hot chocolate? And again, I'm just putting these right at the back. Next we have some toffee, and that's going right in the back, right in between the two here. Then we have these candy cane mini eggs. I think these are so cute, and I'm just putting that right in the front. Here we have some Lindor, and I'm just going to go ahead and place that right next to the mini eggs. And then I went ahead and added another one of these mini eggs right in the middle there. These are the cutest things ever. So these are little chocolate dippers that go inside your hot chocolate, and I'm just adding this right to the side. And then I have another one, and that's going right on the other side. Again, I just think these are so adorable. Little chocolate sticks. One is like a reindeer and a Santa, and I'm just putting these kind of right in the back there. And the last step for me when it comes to gift baskets is just fixing everything up and getting it where I need to be. And here is the finished result of the chocolate lover gift basket. I absolutely love this one. I think it's so cute. And I feel like with this one as well, if you didn't want to go with chocolate, you could always do like candy or chips or anything like that. But I love this one. Next, we have the cooking basket. Now, personally, this is one of my favorites. So I'm starting off here with a cutting board or a charcuterie board. This one had a lot of heavy items in it, so I just had to be kind of careful with where I put things, putting that right in the back. And then I put this cast iron gingerbread pan right in the front just to kind of even out the weight. Next, I went in with a cookbook. You can use whatever cookbook you want. And again, I'm just putting that right at the back and trying to be really careful with this. Then I added this wooden spoon. I love all the wooden aspects of this basket. I think it looks so pretty. Then I added this beautiful green speckled bowl. I just think this is so pretty. And I'm gonna go ahead and place this kind of right in the front there. And also just kind of trying to move everything around and get it sorted. Next, I'm adding this measuring cup set. Again, I think these are so pretty. And I'm just placing these right at the side. Next, I went ahead and rolled up a kitchen towel, and I'm just gonna go ahead and place that at the back and kind of tuck it in down under so it's really nice and secure. I added these adorable tiny little spatulas, and I'm putting those right at the side. I don't know why, but I always think cookie cutters are just the cutest things ever. So I went ahead and added a 3-pack to this. I have a tree, a little gingerbread, and then I also have a snowflake as well. And as always, like I said before, when I have everything inside the basket, I just like to go ahead and rearrange things where I want them to be. And here we have the finished cooking basket. Like I said at the beginning, this one's probably my favorite. I just love the way this one turned out, and I also feel like it's a really practical gift as well. This next one I'm calling the color scheme basket. So essentially you're going to pick someone's favorite color and work all around that. So I went with red. I'm starting off with this hot chocolate mix here, and I'm going to go ahead and put that right at the back. Then I added these. These are so funny to me. They're little Santa boxers, and I'm just rolling that up and putting it again right at the back. Next, I added this super adorable Santa mug. I love this thing, and I just love how it looks inside the basket. And I'm just putting that right at the front there. Now I know this packaging is mostly black, but it does have a little bit of red, so I'm adding it. So I'm putting these lashes right behind the Santa mug. Then I'm adding again this pack of Lindors and putting it right at the side. Then I added this red nail polish, and I'm putting that right next to the Lindor. And then I just added this red loose glitter. I thought it looked really pretty, and I'm putting that right at the top there. And lastly, I'm just putting in these candy cane spoons, and I'm going to put that right inside the mug. Okay, you guys, here is the finished color scheme basket. I really like this one. I think it's nice and different and fun, and I feel like this would also work for so many different people as well. And here we have the self-care basket. Now this one is a biggie. There's a lot in this. So I'm starting off with this gorgeous tumbler, and I'm going to go ahead and place that at the back. Then I added this facial brush set here, and I'm putting that right at the back as well. And then I went ahead and added this rose water bath tea, and I really like the way this looked in the basket. Next, I'm adding this Freeman body sugar scrub. I'm going to go ahead and place that again right at the back. Then I'm just adding in a pack of makeup wipes. I feel like that's kind of a necessity. And then I'm also adding in this pack of eye masks as well. Another Freeman product, this is a soap infused sponge, and I'm putting that kind of right at the front there. Next, I have this face roller by Eco Tools, and I'm putting that right at the side. I just thought this was too pretty not to include, so it's a perfume, but I love the packaging on this, and I feel like it just looks perfect in a gift basket. And now I'm adding in this little hand and body cream, and I'm putting that right next to the perfume. I felt like this basket just kind of needed some chocolate in it, so I'm adding in a hot chocolate dipper again, and also this pack of candy cane mini eggs as well. Next, I went in with this lip mask and lip scrub set, and these I kind of ended up moving around a little bit. Right now, I just decided to put them up here and put the other one on the side, and then I went in with these two little Vaseline lip therapies, and these again, I also kind of ended up moving around as well. And lastly, to top it all off, I just went ahead and added in this gua sha, and I'm just putting that right at the front. Alright you guys, and here is the finished self-care gift basket. Like I said, this one has a lot in it. You definitely don't have to do this much if you don't want to, but I just like the way this one turned out. I feel like it's really full, and it just looks so nice. And I mean, who doesn't love a good self-care night? So this basket I'm calling the cozy basket. So I'm starting off with a blanket, and this blanket is actually from the dollar store. It was $4, such a great deal. And I'm just gonna go ahead, roll it up, and put it in the back. Now I'm adding in these flannel pajama pants, and again, I'm just kind of folding these up and placing them right in the back. Next, I'm adding in a pack of socks. You can use whatever socks you want. I'm just using what I had on hand, and I'm putting these right in the middle there. Then I added this super pretty mug. Mugs just give off the coziest vibes to me, so I felt like this basket needed one, and I'm just putting that right in the front. And again, I felt like this basket needed some chocolate of some sort, so I'm adding these little sticks again, the reindeer and the Santa, and I feel like this just kind of topped everything off and made it look so cute. And here is the finished cozy basket. I love this one. I think it's so cute and simple, and I feel like a lot of people would enjoy getting this one. Alright you guys, so that was everything for my dollar store gift basket video. I really hope you enjoyed, and like I said in the beginning, let me know in the comments below which gift basket was your favorite. As always, if you enjoyed the video, I'd really appreciate it if you gave it a big thumbs up and subscribe, because it really does help my channel. And if you guys want to go ahead and keep up with me outside of YouTube, I do have TikTok and Instagram, and I'll go ahead and link those down below. But anyways, I hope you guys have a great day and a great Christmas, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!